Look what I have here. This is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. This is actually my first action camera in like 2 or 3 years. I've had a number of Sony action cameras over the years, and I've had the GoPro 6, 7 and 8, I believe. So this is an unboxing video. It's an excuse to tell you I have the camera, but I'd like to give you my thoughts on the camera as well. So as you know, this camera came out a few months ago, but I was a little bit busy at that point, so I didn't want to buy it then. But I pulled the trigger on it last week, and I purchased it from the official website in what I consider to be a good deal. £349.98. You buy it from the official website and you get a 1-year subscription to GoPro.com, which you do not have to renew if you don't want to. Now, I just want to quickly take this away for a second. You can see that there is an accessories bundle as well for an extra £50. Now, the accessories bundle, I think is a really good deal, and I think for a lot of people that's the one to go for. You get an extra battery, you get the handler, which is really good for using in the water, you get the head strap and quick clip, and you get a 32 gigabytes SD card, micro SD card. So I think that's a good deal, but I decided not to go for it. One reason being I bought the head strap and quick clip for £11 on Amazon. I don't need the handler. I've got other tripods and stuff. And I'm going to buy an extra battery at one point, but it can wait. Plus, I'm not going to be using a 32 gigabyte card. I've got a 128 gigabyte card here. But the main reason for me not to buy that bundle was that in 1 or 2 years' time, when I inevitably sell or trade this camera, I don't want to have to trade in all the accessories either. It's just easier for me to buy the base model and buy all the accessories separately. So without further ado, let me switch off my webcam and we'll get this unboxed. So here it is. This is the GoPro Hero 11 Black, and the packaging is a lot better than it was in the past. Got all the features here. You've got what's included in the box at the side. And the most obvious difference to a few years ago is the fact that you now get a really nice case. That's a nice addition. So the case looks very, very good. Hard case. This is a really nice addition to the series. I like what they're doing here. Open it up and there we go. Subscribe to GoPro. Getting started. Pro tips. Have product questions. You have the camera itself. So the sticker that was there was annoying. It was sticking to the glass. But yeah, the stickers are off now. And that is the new GoPro Hero 11 Black. USB Type A to Type C. It's branded GoPro. Quite a short cable, but it's quite thick, quite durable. Got the screw. We've got the adhesive mount. Everything is so dusty, I'm not sure why. Right out of the box, it's super dusty. Then we've got the new GoPro Enduro battery. And then we have, I believe they call the mounting buckle. So this is the GoPro Hero 11 Black package. You get the camera itself. You get the Enduro battery, which has been improved for colder conditions. You get the adhesive mount, the mounting buckle, the screw, and the official Type A to Type C charging cable. Got some documentation over here to help you get going, including the quick start guide. And at the back of that, we have some stickers. And then we have the GoPro hard case. Very, very nice addition to the package. So at this point, all you have to do is open up the latch at the side here, pull this, pops open, drop in the battery, and then drop in your micro SD card, which will face you. So just put it in like that. pop in until it clicks, and then close the door. Get the door closed, there we go. And then we can power it on using the power mode button, like that. There we go. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the design of GoPro cameras, but for the benefit of those who are not, at the front here we've got the front LCD screen. Here we've got a microphone, and then we've got the camera sensor, which is protected by a protective lens. And this can be taken off and it can be replaced. At the top here, we've got a shutter button, and here we've got the power mode button, but also a drain microphone to let water get through. The other side, you'll see the latch, which is, you saw me opening that up. You just pull it down, opens up. You've got the battery, you've got the micro SD card slot, and you've got a Type-C charging port. You can push that back in like so. At the bottom here, we've got the folding fingers for attaching to tripods and other accessories. There's a speaker underneath here. And yeah, that's it. The only other part here is the back of the camera, which is kind of getting caught by my lights here. But yes, the back screen is how you navigate everything. This is how you set it up. So yeah, very simple design, very, very easy to use. GoPro has always had a very user-friendly setup process, and you can see here that it just tells you to install the GoPro Quick app and then leave your camera on and follow the instructions. So you set it up like this, allow to find the GoPro, connect the GoPro, and then it will search for the camera. And that's it. The GoPro has been connected. It really is that simple. The GoPro Quick app allows you to name your camera, but the most important thing I recommend doing is updating the camera's firmware. It's very easy to do through the official app. Once you've updated your camera's firmware, simply charge your camera up, start messing about with the configuration screens, and get out there and start recording. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and listening to my opinion on this camera. Please do stay tuned. I've picked up the media mod, I've picked up some accessories, and I've got a lot of other accessories for action cameras that I used many, many years ago. My plan is to get out there in the car, to get out there running, and just to get out there and start using this camera a lot. This is quite a flexible little camera. I'm changing the modes now. This is a flexible little camera, and yeah, it's a fun little camera. I'm going to use it as an excuse to get out there and start recording. Many thanks for watching, guys. If you get any questions, please do post them below. And until next time, take care.